Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Like humans and other animals, sneezing is a normal thing if it happens occasionally. It's even normal for a cat to have an occasional sneezing fit. But it's not normal for a cat to sneeze several times a day for several days in a row.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cats also can get a herpes virus that can cause upper respiratory problems, including sneezing. This virus can be spread to people by contact with the discharge, and can cause some irritation. If you follow proper cleanliness after handling your sneezing cats, your risk for exposure is minimal.
Let's help you make your mark.
Should I be concerned? Most likely your kitten has an upper respiratory infection. They are very contagious, and it is fairly common for kittens and cats newly adopted from shelters to be sneezing or have runny eyes and noses. If your kitten's infection is mild and she is acting fine, no treatment may be needed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.